Pancake recipes. 7 easy and helpful recipes. Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Start your day off right with delicious and healthy homemade pancakes. Our collection includes 4 easy recipes packed with nutritious ingredients like whole grains, fruits, and healthy fats. These pancakes are not only satisfying, but also provide essential nutrients to fuel your day. Whether you prefer classic, banana, raisin, or avocado pancakes, we have a recipe to suit your taste. By making pancakes at home, you can control the ingredients and enjoy a guilt-free breakfast that supports your health and weight loss goals. Number 1. Raisins Pancakes. Simple and healthy pancakes such as this homemade raisin pancakes are a delightful and nutritious treat to enjoy. Pancakes made with wholesome ingredients provide a balanced breakfast option that can support your overall health and well-being. Raisins add a natural sweetness and a burst of flavor to the pancakes, making them even more delicious. Here are the specific ingredients for raisin pancakes. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup raisins, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for greasing the pan. Here is the process for making raisin pancakes. Number 2. Peanut butter pancakes. Peanut butter pancakes are a delightful and nutritious breakfast option that can be enjoyed by peanut butter lovers. These pancakes offer a rich and nutty flavor while providing a good source of protein and healthy fats. Peanut butter is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. It can help you feel full and satisfied, making it a great choice for a satisfying breakfast. Here are the specific ingredients for peanut butter pancakes. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1/4 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 large egg, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for greasing the pan. For optional toppings, sliced bananas, chopped peanuts, maple syrup. Here is the process for making peanut butter pancakes. Number 3. Banana pancakes. Banana pancakes are a delicious and nutritious breakfast option that is loved by many. These pancakes are made with ripe bananas, which not only add natural sweetness but also provide essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. Banana pancakes are a great way to use an overripe bananas and create a fluffy and flavorful breakfast treat. They also are naturally gluten-free and can be enjoyed by those with dietary restrictions. Here are the specific ingredients for banana pancakes. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 ripe banana mashed, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for greasing the pan. For optional toppings, sliced bananas, maple syrup, chopped nuts, cinnamon. Here is the process for making banana pancakes. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're back there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Avocado pancakes. Avocado pancakes are a unique and nutritious twist on traditional pancakes. Avocado, known for its creamy texture and healthy fats, is the star ingredients in these pancakes. Avocado adds richness, moisture, and a boost of nutrients to the pancakes, making them a satisfying and wholesome breakfast option. Avocado is packed with hearty, healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutritious addition to your meal. These pancakes are also a great way to use ripe avocados and add a touch of green goodness to your morning routine. Here are the specific ingredients for avocado pancakes. 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, cooking spray or a small amount of oil for greasing the pan. For optional toppings, sliced avocado, honey, fresh berries. Here is the process for making avocado pancakes. Number 5. Classic whole wheat pancakes. Classic whole wheat pancakes are a wholesome and nutritious option for breakfast. Made with whole wheat flour, these pancakes provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for your health. They are also lower in refined carbohydrates compared to traditional pancakes, making them a great choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet or manage their weight. Here are the specific ingredients for classic whole wheat pancakes. 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon honey, cooking oil or butter for greasing the pan. Here is the process for making classic whole wheat pancakes. Number 6. Blueberry Oatmeal Pancakes. Blueberry oatmeal pancakes are a delightful and nutritious twist on traditional pancakes. Packed with the goodness of oats and bursting with juicy blueberries, these pancakes offer a balanced combination of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and antioxidants. They're a great choice for breakfast as they provide sustained energy and can help you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Here are the specific ingredients for blueberry oatmeal pancakes. 1 cup oats, 1 cup buttermilk, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, cup or fresh frozen blueberries, cooking oil or butter for greasing the pan. Here is the process for making blueberry oatmeal pancakes. Number 7. Spinach and Feta Pancakes. Spinach and feta pancakes are a flavorful and nutritious twist on traditional pancakes. Packed with spinach and feta cheese, these pancakes provide a balance of vitamins, minerals, and protein. They are a great way to incorporate leafy greens into your breakfast and add a savory element to your meal. Here are the specific ingredients for spinach and feta pancakes. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup fresh spinach chopped, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup buttermilk, cooking oil or butter for greasing the pan. Here is the process for making spinach and feta pancakes. And that concludes our list of the 7 easy pancakes and helpful recipes. Do you happen to know any easy pancake recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest foods available. In every bite, a taste of health and delight, and that is Healthy Bites. Bye!